decision making. My next video is on the topic of loop, the concept of loop. First, in this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of while loop, and the next video will discuss about the concept of for loop. So, what is while loop? While loop statement is in a Python programming repeatedly execute a target statement as long as given condition is true. So in basic, while loop will execute till until the condition is true. For just you can see the basic example of while loop is, consider a variable I, initialize the value it as 1, just use a small characters. Then we will have a loop for the while condition that I, in our program we want to print the 10 numbers less than small letters. So in while loop we have written the condition I is equals to 1, I is less than 10. Till that we will execute our coding. So in the annotation we just use a space and then we print the statement which we want to print. So we want to print the number till 10, so we print it as I. We will print the continuously I, the loop will execute it and we will print the I. And the next line we just going to increase the value of I one by one in the next so that it can be increases each level of iteration the program when runs. So we just change this I as a small variable by just being typo mistakes considering as capital I. Some basic mistake can be done by using the mobile. Now if you are using your laptop it might not work the typo mistakes. So just you have seen the loop. First time I is equals to 1, while loop I is less than 10, that is 1 is less than 10, we have printed I, and then increment the value, that is increment the value as 2. Again it checks, again it print, and it print till the 9 is less than 10. 9 is less than 10, it print till 9 values. So if you in this while loop you want to use the concept of else, how can you just use that concept? So in while loop also you can use the concept of if and else. So I am using this program by introducing the concept of else. Just take while as small capital letter only here. If it's by taking again and again, just we use capital I only. No issue in that. Annotation space next print we have done the print while loop. I is equals to 1, I is less than 5, print I, we will print the I till the next value I gonna increase. If it goes increased beyond the 5, we just execute what part? We execute the else part, introducing the else concept over here. So now we'll print the value as the statement that while loop got exhausted. It is out the while loop. It will print the message. So just we run this code. Okay, it's printed the value from 1 to 5, and after 5 it just printed the while loop has exhausted. Okay, it's the code of while loop will including the else command. If you want to use while loop with the break statement, what we can do, just have some example over this also. The next code, just use this code only and just do some modification by using the if and break. Just use this code for some Just see the modification. Just uses this same concept, and now if we are using the if condition over here and then else part also to use the concept of break, you will get the clear clarification of how the break works. Actually, break statement encounters the while loop, stop its execution, and then skip the else statement. So you can see this live example in the coding. Print the message. So here, as I have already said, what does the break statement work? When break statement encounters the while loop, stop its working, and then skip the if part and execute the else statement. Over here, you can see I is equals to while I is less than equal to 5, that is the looping start. While loop start, we print the value of I, increment the value I is equals to 1 till 1. If I is equals to 3, the point the value of I goes 3, it breaks the loop. It breaks the loop and execute the else part, because the break. So you can see the example by running the code. It prints the value 1 and 2. The point it reaches the value 3, it's break. If you want to change the value also, you can see the example by taking more values, so it's get clear. Just taken the value as 6. It's printed till 5, and when the moment it reaches the 6 value, it's stopped and else print the value is while loop is exhausted. Okay, hope you get the concept of this. It's not printed the else part. Why just the issue is there? Just execute the now. Again and again else part, because this else must be outside the code. You can see the output of this. Okay, the while loop is exhausted. This statement is not printing because it's too much space. Okay, now you get the concept of using the while loop with break and else statement. Now in the next program you will get the concept by using the continue statement. I is equals to 0, the same concept we are using, introducing the variable, then putting the while loop. Then we use the if. Only if we, when the continuous statement, we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next while. Okay, so you can see example of that in this program. If we have the condition I is equals to 3, then we code the continue part. And just then print this value of I. As you know, With the continuous statement, we can stop the current iteration. The moment I is equals to 3, we stop the current iteration and continue with the next statement with the while. Okay, so we just execute this program and you can see the output. Okay, iteration has not been followed. Okay, moment it reaches I is equals to 3, it stop and then continue with the next value, that is next value 4 5 6 is being printed. Hope this concept has been clear to you all. Now you can do while loop use in your program whenever you require, with the continue statement, with the break, with the else or normal while loop. Hope the basics of while loop has been clear to you all. Thank you for watching this video.